Are you yearning to relive the vintage charm of your Underwood Champion typewriter? Look no further. With our comprehensive digital instruction manual, you can embark on a step-by-step journey that will guide you from initial setup to mastering all its features. Filled with clear images and diagrams, this manual is more than just instructions. It also delves into the captivating history of this iconic machine and reveals the secrets to using it with finesse. Perfect for everyone, this manual will help you learn to use your typewriter confidently and independently, saving you time and frustration by avoiding mistakes and wasted time. By following the instructions in this manual, you will not only be able to use your typewriter effectively, but you will also be preserving a piece of American design history. Give new life to this timeless object and add a vintage and original touch to your workspace. When you purchase this manual, you will receive 2 complete instruction manuals totaling over 16 pages. The downloadable PDF digital version will be delivered to you instantly, allowing you to start writing your own story with the Underwood Champion right away. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your writing experience and add a touch of nostalgia to your workspace. Purchase your manual now and unlock the full potential of your Underwood Champion typewriter. Underwood Champion, typewriter, manual, vintage, writing, design, history. Whether you are a seasoned typewriter enthusiast or a beginner looking to explore a new hobby, this manual is the perfect companion for your journey. Discover the joy of using a vintage typewriter and unleash your creativity with the Underwood Champion.